in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor until 4:15 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 35 knots, 14 nautical miles northwest of Raritan Bay, moving east at 40 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Upper New York Harbor. The Vazon narrows around 3:45 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following marine location: New York Harbor.